Traders War Room proudly presents the daily video with the best trading and investing alerts anywhere on any platform. With up-to-date stock, chart, and market news, TWR is simply your one-stop shop. TWR Tech Video. What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room. I'm back at you with another video. Guys, I had someone direct message me the other day, and they asked me specifically to do a class on creating an investment and trading LLC. Well, I don't think it's a popular enough subject to really do a class per se, but I told him I would do a tech video. So that's what this tech video is going to go over. It's going to give you the 5 W's, the who, what, where, when, why, kind of the pros and the cons, and just little tidbits of information I've learned throughout the years involving a LLC, specifically with trading and investing. So I hope you get some value. I hope you get some knowledge out of this. And as always, if you're ready, just follow me. Let's go to war together, team. Traders War Room, baby. Let's get it right now. Stay tuned at the end for TWR Hot Products and Services. Setting up a trading LLC. So what is a trading LLC? How to set one up and what are the pros and the cons are basically what we're going to cover. So while most people understand that starting a limited liability company, which is an LLC, they do so to create a small business. And there are many reasons that one may want to choose an LLC for a business reason. The management flexibility, tax benefits, and protection from personal assets offered by the LLC make this a great vehicle for investment opportunities. Now, understanding since there can be more than one member, it's often the business entity of choice when multiple people are looking to invest in something as a group. Whether you're looking to start an LLC to invest in real estate, stocks, or a startup, this is an all-inclusive guide to learning more about investment LLCs and how you can benefit from starting your own. All right, so whether you're wanting to invest with a group of friends, start up a family investment vehicle like a multi-member LLC, or house your own investments, a single-member LLC, starting an LLC can help create the layer of separation between investment and personal accounts. And that's truly what's important about the LLC transition. Creating the distinct legal entity like an LLC or corporation is the only true way to ensure personal liability protection. And this is especially important if you plan to invest in high-risk ventures or like real estate. Now, probably one of the most important pieces of documentation is this operator's agreement. So no matter who you choose to be a member in your LLC, it is essential that you create the LLC operating agreement, even if one isn't required by your state. The agreement should define important membership details, transferring membership, expected financial contributions, voting procedures, and other things as well. And it should have the management structure, such as the CEOs, the management team, the executive managers, all the way down to, just the worker bees at the bottom level. Now, taxes. When considering an investment LLC, your main focus should be on the potential tax implications. All LLC benefit from pass-through taxation, meaning the LLC members pay taxes on the business income instead of the entity itself. However, that doesn't necessarily mean you'll be saving money by investing with an LLC instead of an informal structure such as a sole proprietorship. When entrepreneurs start an LLC for a business, the members pay income tax on the money made through self-employment. However, an LLC's pass-through entity status is less important when using it for investment purposes. When using the LLC as an investment vehicle, any income generated through stocks, real estate, and other asset exchanges will be considered capital gains, and the members of the LLC will still need to pay taxes to the IRS. The process for claiming capital gains is not necessarily more complex than the claiming process for other types of income. All you have to do is file the appropriate tax return. However, the tax rate fluctuates depending on how much money you earned on the asset and how long you've held it. Now, with a group of investors, if you're looking to organize a group of individuals for an investment opportunity, creating an LLC is probably the most cost efficient way to do so. Each member will contribute a share of the funding. Then the income generated by the LLC will pass down to the members of each that will pay individual taxes on their share. Now, in that scenario, the LLC operating agreement is essential to establish how distributions are allocated, especially when investors and non-family members, i.e. a group of investors or friends. Now, detailing the terms and requirements in writing is important to make sure investor members are on the same page about what's expected with their membership and to hold them accountable for contribution schedules. When investing in a family investment LLC, using the LLC to house assets and investments for family members is common practice for those looking for a creative estate planning solution. For this type of LLC, there's usually a single manager, can be a member or a non-member, and they handle the LLC's money and making financial decisions to generate long-term income. Opening a trust is usually the preferred method for passing down money to family members and reducing the likelihood that you'll end up in a probate court or paying hefty estate taxes. However, unlike keeping assets in a trust, which have restrictions on who can draw and when, the LLCs are more flexible and may be better for families who want to access LLC funds sooner rather than later. So LLCs also provide the asset protection from creditors and other liability threats. Investing in real estate with an LLC, and it can be utilized since the creation of LLCs. They've been used to house real estate investments, especially rental property, to keep the investor's personal assets safe. Since an LLC is a separate entity from the owner member, only the assets held by the LLC are up for grabs. If it ever gets sued or the LLC's property is foreclosed upon, the member's personal assets are still protected. Real property generally holds its value better than other investments and usually comes at a higher price. So investing in real estate without an LLC to protect your personal wealth can be high risk. Additionally, if your LLC wants to use its property as a rentals, there's always a risk of being sued if, for example, the renter has an accident on the property. Now, since income generated by the LLCs pass through the entity, the members need to individually pay taxes on their share of any income and capital gains generated by the LLC. However, there are plenty of write-offs available that can help decrease your taxes. For more information, you can always see an in-depth article that I have in the description about how to utilize the LLC to invest in real estate. Now, probably the part that you wanted to really hear about right here, how to invest in stocks with an LLC. Well, just like an individual, an LLC can invest in the stock market. Unlike using an LLC to invest in real estate, opening a brokerage account for investing in stocks, bonds, and ETFs and mutual funds comes with a significantly less risk to your personal assets. Unless you're specifically using an LLC to organize multiple investors, there aren't many benefits to using an LLC to invest in stocks. Now, we utilize this because of our multiple platforms and the investment clubs that we run. This protects both us personally and the business as well as the client. Now, of course, if your LLC generates income from an already existing business or real estate venture and is looking to make more money on that income by investing in the stock market, that's a little bit different. In that case, you'll want to talk with a financial advisor about how to enter the market and how to best save money on your taxes. Now, LLCs are created by state statute, which means the LLC formation process varies from state to state. So despite the slight differences, LLCs in all states are required to file articles of organization, also called the certificate of formation, and pay the filing fee with appropriate state offices, usually the Secretary of State. And all states require a designated register agent. Now, we use Zen Business. We have one of the packages that assist with document templates and a registered agent. They also provide us updates when certain things are due. Now, the registered agent who can be an individual or a company, must be a resident of the state in which you file and will be expected to receive all important state tax and legal documents on behalf of the LLC. While only required in a few states, creating the LLC operating agreement is one of the most important steps you'll take when starting an LLC. If you've noticed, that has been mentioned multiple times, and that should be considered a foot stomp. You need to get that done. With that agreement, it's the only sure way to ensure asset protection and separation between personal and investment money. Creating a separate bank account for your LLC goes together with creating this agreement. You'll want to document your financial accounting information very carefully so that when tax season comes, there are no questions about where funds come from and where they go. This is so important, as I found out this tax season. You need to have your documents squared away. PayPal was a lifesaver for me. Everything was documented and available for download. So in conclusion, a trading LLC can be a great idea if you're trying to separate business from personal. It can also start for the groundwork of an empire in the future if you're successfully doing it right and you're good at doing what you do. The process is a bit lengthy and it has some risks associated with it and does require some startup money up front. But you and your partners, if you have any, can set the foundation of future success not only with a business, but also in regards to trading and investing. So I hope I provided you with some value and knowledge. Remember that TWR is here to bring together the like-minded traders and investors so that we're not alone in this trading and investing journey. The goal has always been to grow, learn, share, and try to make some money as a team of market warriors. So my suggestion to you is be ready to ride a wave, attack the trend, and destroy the market. And as always, if you're ready, you just follow me and let's go to war together. Upcoming events. On 25 June, we got the TWR Gap Trading 101. I'm going to teach you guys how to destroy gaps to destroy the market. This is going to happen 25 June at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. $15 gets you a seat, and everybody gets the recording. Of course, same thing like the last class. TradersWarroom.com/upcoming classes. You can sign up right there, and that link is in the description. Join the TWR Investment Club. Are you tired of trading alone, losing more than you're winning? Or are you just too busy with work, family, and life to focus and hit the market bullseye? If that's you, then join the TWR Investment Club. We trade the account for you and then pay you profit and loss distro. We run both a 30-day and a 6-month club. Next club starts 1 July 2023. Sign up opens 15 June. And the link to join the free chat where you get all the information is in the description. Quit wasting money that isn't making money. Join the team and trade with TWR Bulls. All the links are in the description. Traders War Room is your one-stop shop. Try our TWR one-to-one mentoring. Does the market have you feeling like this? Or wanting to rip your hair out while you watch your account dwindle? If that's you, then Traders War Room has you covered. Our one-to-ones focus on you as a trader or investor. The Zoom session connects you with a TWR professional. Whether we're covering charts, developing a plan of attack, or being strategic and deep diving on the how, why, and execution of trade plans. TWR one-to-ones will give you the confidence to attack, conquer, destroy, and make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. Book your session today. The link is in the description or on the website at TradersWarroom.com. Let's go to war. Activate your 2-day trial of TWR All Access on the Discord platform. We cover it all at Traders War Room, whether you're looking for stocks, options, futures, Forex, crypto, or even sports betting, or you want real-time alerts, live trading, algo signals, or even if you just want to be part of a community of like-minded investors to grow, learn, and share together as a team. Something for everyone, every budget, and every style. Join TWR today and trade with the bulls. The market is our war zone and stocks are the battle. Join TWR and let's go to war.